Okay, uh, I'll explain the code. So here I have created an end-to-end test where I'm just registering a new user, and the user, I have created a payload which is in the form of key value pair, and then I'm converting that into JSON payload, and I have created a request. As you can see here, it's a post request which is in the form of JSON and the payload. And after that, the response which I have got here, I'm going to check if there is no error, and if the response code and the status created code 201 just gets matched, then uh, it's a check like it is done. And I'm going to log in the same credentials converted into JSON format with the endpoint using JSON form, and checks are been done. And after logging, I will get a token. So that token I'm going to store in token variable. So I'm parsing here JSON.decoder just decodes the response body and stores it in my variable login.response which I have created here. And then I'm going to similarly create a booking payload for this professor ID at time slot 2 p.m. and you can see uh, I have converted that booking payload into JSON format, and I have created a request, so it is of type post at the endpoint, and I have passed the payload. And also, since it requires uh, authorization, so I have also created header authorization bearer, and the token which I have created initially generated was passed here, and also the second header which is of type application, I mean JSON. And then after every request is done, everything later request is done, I have created a client and passed the request here, and the response and error I am checking here. So if there is no error, then check, and also check my response code, like that is 201, which means everything is fine. And the appointment ID which I get as a response is stored in appointment response. So I'm just gonna run it over here. So yeah, yeah, it's loading, so let us wait. mm, yeah, so as you can see, user is created student A1, and in appointments, yeah, so let us, so if you see at 2 p.m. appointment has been created. So this is a test. Thank you.